with DJ LEKZ.
Now this one is designed. Now this one is designed. Now this one is. Now this one is designed for 18 and over. Over. Say 18 and over. Over. Yeah. Hey. Girl, won't you go home to your mama. Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be my lover. To be for my lover. Whoa, you must be 18 and over. I've been checking you out, but you are too young, girl. And a girl like you will cause worries into my world. Cause if I pick you up, girl, it's pain and misery for me. Cause you're a girl that is so rude as can be. Like boy, go home to your mama. Your mama, go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be me lover. My lover, God for me lover. Oh, yeah. Oh,
yeah. You are in the mix with Africa's baddest DJ, DJ LEKZ. Call me on 0706 002 331. Also follow me on Mixcloud at www.mixcloud.com/DJLEKZ254.
LEKZ jelian. Free type entertainment.
Skylarking, that's what you do today. Skylarking,
wanna be when they grow the f MUSICA. It's the one and only
DJ LEKZ.
Turn it up. Turn it up. Kicking it live on the ones and twos. You're in the mix with DJ
LEKZ.
Street Hype Entertainment.
Time getting harder, still be striving for better. And we not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over, over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Trying to get your attention, call you at work, can't get your extension. Where is my gate pass to your heart, girl? Do I need to write security in order to get an entry? Or do I need to break the lock on your vault? But I'm a patient man, I understand. I wanna know what is your plan. Must I wait and for how long? Put an end to this frustration. See you and your friends them flirting, trying to get me hurting. But don't you see my flex is so smart, girl? As the world keeps turning, my love for you keeps on burning. Am I always in your thought? Cut me a key, give me a gate pass to your heart, yeah. Give me your number so we can make a start, yeah. Cut me a key, give me the gate pass to your heart, girl. Give me your number so we can make a start. Oh, yeah, now. Give me the gate pass, give me the key to your heart. Consider me, baby. Consider me. No. I know you're trying to be a big girl and keep the tears from your eyes. Now, baby. Oh, it's gonna be a little hard to lift your head up high. No. Now, little girl, you're gonna need a man. A man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 please consider me, yeah. Ooh. Oh, I know all your friends have left you all alone, yeah. Ooh. Oh, and all the good times you had with him are gone. No. So you gotta have a man who will understand. Oh, darling, 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 please consider me, yeah. Baby,
There was a
DJ
time
LEKZ.
when all I wanted to do was only the things that mattered to me. Yeah, but when a man and a woman builds their home, a man's gotta do what his family needs him to do. And when I come home, everything should be alright. So mommy, hold on, everything will be just fine. So I'm coming home, everything should be alright. So baby, hold on. on, everything will be just fine.
DJ LEKZ.
And the things I survived and I wonder.
Street Hype Entertainment.
It's hard to imagine that I ever got this far. Look at my life and the things I survived and I wonder. Yeah. I look at my life and the things I survived and I wonder. Yeah. It's hard to imagine that I ever got this far. Times it was like I was lost and the ship's going under. But just like an angel when I need you most, there you are. Hold me in your arms tonight. Don't you ever let me go. Gonna make it through, I know you only need to hold me in your arms tonight. Things are always coming true, and it started with the love
Woman, I don't wanna be alone, sitting waiting at the telephone. I'm hoping someday you'll come back home, sweet darling. And baby, I don't wanna lose your love. You're the only one I'm dreaming of. So tell me, when will you return to me? Please tell me, please tell me. It seems as if these walls are closing in, and I don't know where to begin to express how deep my love's for you, sweet darling. And baby, I don't wanna hurt no more. Can't wait to see you running at my door. I'll open up the doors and let you in, sweet darling. Woman, I don't wanna be alone, sitting waiting at the telephone. I'm hoping someday you'll come back home, sweet darling. And baby, I don't wanna
I'll be your personal position.
You're the only one I'm dreaming
Ease your protection. Girl, I got the strangest feeling. You want me to diagnose you, get a prescription for your healing. Got 1,000 milligrams of pleasure. You can come out for refill anytime, whenever. I see sadness in your eyes. We change your blue to clear skies. Take this twice a day. I promise everything will be okay. You don't need no appointment. You can call me on my private line. And even if I'm busy, I'll make a house call to you anytime. Got a lot of prescription like this. You're on the top of my list. Picking up your signal on my receiver. You want it to be a stress reliever. I'm picking up your signal on my receiver. Girl, you want it to be a stress reliever. Girl, you love your friend. With me, you know you're set. You see me on at work, but you don't see nothing yet. But all I wanna know is everything is alright. I'm here to make you happy, see your future bright. Picking up your signal on my receiver. I'm picking it up, baby. Stress reliever. I'm rescuing you, signal on my receiver. Girl, you want it to be a stress reliever.
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. I just run it, just, yeah. I just run it, just, yeah. Run it, yeah. Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. I just run it, just, yeah. I just run it, yeah.
If you were my girl, our love would be so incredible. Girl, but if I were your man, I'd lay you down in a big bed of roses. And if you were my girl, I'd find a way through the ocean like Moses.
DJ LEKZ.
Girl, if you wanna take a chance, I'll show you what I can do. Oh, and baby, let me show you what I've got in store for me and you. So give me just a minute, let me get into it. So don't put your foot in my corner, 'cause I'm my girl, this, I'm my girl, this. A long time maybe you come on.
Can't wait for the week to close. Friday evening rolling. Ooh, this 9 till 5 is pinning me down. I can't win. Should I mention my concentration does get disturbed sometimes? With more birthdays and good now, a tribulation time. Well, every day is a brand new crisis. The maintenance just keeps rising. Say, how long can we keep fighting? Take it easy, can't afford to overload. No. And you know you've done your best, running so many jobs. Burn yourself into the ground to find you're in the same spot. I'm not asking for no miracles, no. A moment in time, find an open door of opportunity to change my life. 'Cause every day is a brand new time.
Call me on 0706 002 331.
Street Type Entertainment.
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. When I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life.
Failure to listen to his mixtapes will result in you missing out on some real good shit.
Keep on me one talk to you, me up.
When you want what? When you want him.
Keep on me one talk to you, me have something on me mind.
Alright.
After all of the madness you put me through right here, so me draw the line.
Straight one.
You see Keisha, Shauna, K, Antonisha, all of them me want you figure.
That again.
We not get no younger, think about the future, full time for we tidy us.
But Lady G, if you want me to do that then you have to stop the problem. Look how you mash up me phone till me drop the pen. It's like me can't keep no friend. Furthermore, me not ready for that yet. Me a young youth, so don't forget. Plus me friend them a tell me you sending threat. Me a go and play hard forget.
Marriage is a serious thing. Marriage is a serious thing. Marriage is a serious thing.
But a man can't married man through them want the bling. Marriage is a serious thing. Marriage is a serious thing. Marriage is a serious thing.
Well, guess what? Me a go left if me not get the ring.
Lady G.
When you want to meet a country girl, when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls will work a bank, girls will up the rank, just go to halfway tree. Out of NCB, right side of the clock, halfway tree.
Why, people keep on crying people are hungry. Anywhere in the world where there's injustice, there will be progress, yeah. Suffering people couldn't be ignored. People
people giving their lives for what they think will be better for their children. And there is no power like people power. Together they make the change. People will fight. People will stand up. People will stand up. People will fight for their right. Fight. People will stand up. People will stand up. People will fight for their right.
Take all of my money and squander down the jail. Fly to Panama to meet this young boy again. Make him influence her, we take a trip got to Spain. Tell me how much can this girl be? Me say she come back from Spain, come back again. She never want be staying, oh what a thing. Now of the others you did you see I passing. Talking about I only do darling. Can I have a word with you and reply before you talking? Me say girl you're too bloody, we can't. Me say what a woman, what a woman, what a woman. Me can't she back and cry back. She a go cry back for me. What a woman, what a woman, what a woman. Me can't she back and cry.
I am not a qualified physician. I am not a qualified physician. And I don't want to give this injection. I am not a qualified physician. And I don't want to give this injection. Dorothy is begging for trouble. She insists I should give her this needle. Darling, one thing you ought to know. Don't blame me for where the needle go. I push it in, she pulls it out. I push it back. She start to shout, Dr. Ringding, you're terrible. I can't stand this.
Call your DJ on 0706 002331.
Failure to listen to his mixtapes will result in you missing out on some real good shit.
Keep pulling me in. If it's a battle I fight for you, I have to win to prove to you my love so deep within. It's even getting deeper since I reached prison. Longing more, my baby to love me more. What am I longing for? Babylon release the cure. What am I longing for? My baby to love me more. What am I longing for? Babylon release the cure.
My phone rang about 3 o'clock this morning.
DJ LEKZ from Street Hype Entertainment.
It was your best friend. Said she was lonely and asked me if she could come over. She said it would be our secret, but I couldn't live with it. What made it worse, she's your best friend who became my friend. And behind your back, she trying to get in my bed. Baby, I admit it, I didn't hit it. Cause if I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend who became my friend. And behind your back, she trying to get in my bed. Baby, I admit it, I didn't hit it. Cause if I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend. So many times you said you can't trust me. So many times you think I was lying. But this is just how it happened. You take a look in your life and analyze the friend that you're keeping and how she wants to be creeping with your man. It's so sad she's your best friend who became my friend. And behind your back she trying to get in my bed. Baby, I admit it, I didn't hit it. Cause if I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend who became my friend. And behind your back she trying to get in my bed. Baby, I admit it, I didn't hit it. Cause if I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend. Your friend, your best friend, wouldn't be better than your friend. Your best friend, wouldn't be better
be the one to tell you that your best friend trying to get with me. Talk about making access easy. I couldn't do wrong to make you turn around and hate me. But every day I meet my cell phone ringing. Check my voicemail and it's your girlfriend calling. Telling me she got my number from you, I ain't lying. Tell me baby love, yes it's true, what's the reason? Why she keep telling me my style she be feeling? Why she keep telling me that she don't mind creeping? Why she keep telling me my bed she wanna sleep in? Baby love, I don't mean to drop a dime on your friend, but she make it easy, I don't know what to do. But baby girl, I know that I do love you. I would never jeopardize all the things we've been through. That's why I keep it real.
This is about your best friend who became my friend, and behind your back she trying to get my bed. Baby, I didn't hate it. If I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend who became my friend, and behind your back she trying to get my bed. Baby, I didn't hate it. If I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend who became my friend, and behind your back she trying to get my bed. Baby, I didn't hate it. If I did, I wouldn't be no better than your friend. Your best friend, I wouldn't be better than your best friend. What kind of friend? Be a best friend. She is nothing but a deceiver. Tell me, baby.
You're in the mix with DJ LEKZ from Street Hype Entertainment. Call your DJ on 0706 002331. Follow me on Facebook at LEKZ Jelian.